Very good morning, students. Last class we have completed up to electric charges. We have discussed about electricity. Today let me explain about electric current. The flow of electric charges constitute an electric current. The flow of electric charges, about charges which I told you in the last class itself, which is denoted by the symbol small letter q. For an electrical appliance to work, electric current must flow through it. An electric current is measured by the amount of electric charge moving per unit time at any point in the circuit. The conventional symbol for current is I. The conventional symbol for current is I. So once again, what is the electric current? An electric current is measured by the amount of charges, that is amount of charges which is denoted by the symbol Q, I told you already, moving per unit time, moving per unit time at any point in the circuit. The conventional symbol, that is conventional current symbol, is taken as capital I, capital I. So once again let me explain about the current. So as per the definition which I told you here, current is nothing but rate of flow of charges. What is that? Rate of flow of charges. So here the charges is represented by capital Q, but we can consider as small letter q also, is nothing wrong. So what I told you, current is denoted by the symbol capital I, is nothing else rate of flow of charges. So rate, which means what is the time. So we need to consider the time also. So this is the formula for the current. So let me discuss about the unit of electric current. Electric current is denoted by the symbol ampere. What is that? Ampere. So ampere symbol we can take it as capital A. We can use small letter ampere. So if you are writing in the full form of ampere, we have to write everything in the small letter form. But when you are considering as a symbol, we can take it as capital A. Q is the electric charge. What is that? The SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. The coulomb is taken as capital C. Coulomb is taken as capital C. The SI unit of time is, already we know well, the SI unit of time is nothing but second. The SI unit of time is nothing but what is that? Second. I hope you are understood about the unit. Current is simply nothing but the rate of flow of electric charges, nothing else. So the current unit is nothing but what is that? Ampere. I hope you are understood. Next, let me explain about conventional current. What is that? Conventional current and electron flow. Conventional current and electron flow. Look at the picture clearly, students. Conventional current flows from positive end. Conventional current flows from the positive end to the negative end. Positive end to the negative end. But the electron flow or else electric charges flow from the negative end, from the negative end to the positive end, from the negative end to the positive end. Before the discovery of electrons, scientists believed that electric current consisted of moving positive charges. Moving positive charges. So these movement of positive charges only called, what is it? Conventional current. So here in this picture, the conventional current is denoted by the conventional current is represented by a red color arrow mark. Conventional current is represented by red color arrow mark, which I told you. Conventional current flows from where? Flows from positive charge. Okay, students. After the electrons were discovered, it was known that electron flow actually takes place from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. So here the electron flows was taken by the blue color arrow mark. Okay, students, have you understood? Electron flows from negative terminal to the positive terminal of the battery. So this movement is known as electron flow or else electric charges flow. Conventional current is in the direction opposite to electron flow. Conventional current and electron flow both is in opposite direction. Both is in opposite direction. We can notice it here. Understood, students? Next, let me explain about measurement of electric current. We need to measure the electric current. In sense, what is that? How much amount of electric current flows in the circuit? Definitely we need to know. Electric current is measured using a device called ammeter. So here we have a ammeter here. So this is an instrument which is used to measure the electric current. Here we have a positive and negative end. Here we have a positive and negative end. The terminals of an ammeter are marked with positive and negative sign, which I told you now only. An ammeter must be connected in series. Listen, this is a small circuit which we have. Cell, lamp and what is that? Ammeter is connected here. That ammeter should be connected in series. Series in what is that? Should be connected, electrical component which should be connected one after the other. So after the bulb we have connected ammeter. So this is the type of series connection. So ammeter must be connected in series in a circuit. Instruments used to measure smaller current in the milliampere. Ampere is, which I told you already, what is it? Is a unit of current. So instrument used to measure smaller currents in the milliampere or else microampere. So depends upon the amount of current. If it is smaller current, we can measure in terms of milliampere or else microampere. So accordingly, the instrument must be designed as a milliammeter or microammeters, milliammeters or else microammeters. So milliammeter is denoted by MA. So M stands for milli. So what is the value for milliampere? 10 power minus 3 ampere. So microampere. Micro is denoted by the symbol mu. This is symbol for the micro. So microampere instance we can take it as mu A. So here we have a symbol for the micro. So what is the value for the micro? 10 power minus 6 A. 10 power minus 6 A. I hope you are interested, students. Next, let me explain about potential difference. What is it? Potential difference. Electric charges need energy to push them along a circuit. Water always flows from higher to lower ground. Water always flows from higher to lower end. We know well we need the difference, high to low difference we need for the water flow. We can see the falls and all. We have a high and low difference. That's why water flow is there. In the horizontal surface, water flow will not be there. Likewise, current also will not be flow. Her current flow will be there in high to low difference. High to low potential difference we need. If there is no difference, current flow will not be there. Water always flows from higher to lower ground. Similarly, an electric charge always flows from a point at higher potential to a point at lower potential. An electric current can flow only when there is a potential difference. I told you many times. There should be the potential difference. Potential difference in sense voltage difference. High to low potential difference we needed to flow of electric current. The potential difference between any 2 points in the circuit is the amount of energy needed to move one unit of electric charge from one unit to the other. The unit of potential difference is nothing but the unit of potential difference or else voltage is volt. What is it? Volt. The term mentioned in the board volt is The measurement for the electric potential difference. Volt, wherever is it, is the unit of what is that? Potential difference or else voltage. So that the SI unit of potential difference is volt. Have you understood, students? Volt is nothing but what is that? Is a unit of potential difference or else voltage or else voltage. Water at the top of the waterfall has a more potential energy. So here we have a more potential difference, here we have a less potential difference. So the water will flow from high to low difference, high potential to low potential difference. Water near the base of the waterfalls has less potential difference. So near this end, this has less potential difference. So here we have a high potential difference. So we are creating high to low potential difference, then only there will be the water flow. So accordingly, for the current flow also we have to create high to low potential difference. The electric current flow from the higher potential level to the lower potential level. Lower potential level is just like the water flow, I hope you are understood about electric current. What is the instrument we are using for the electric current? So ammeter is the instrument which is used to measure the amount of current, that you know well. What are the unit which we are using for the electric current? In the formula itself I mentioned there. And we have discussed about potential difference. Potential difference or else voltage is nothing but for the current flow we need a high to low potential difference, then only there will be the current flow. So I hope you are understood. Thank you, students.